Hey everybody, I'm going to do another quick video about a 6-way power seat switch replacement on a 07 to 14 Chevy Suburban or Tahoe or GMC Yukon or Yukon XL. Some tools you're going to need: some plastic pry tools, a pick, screwdriver, a socket with a 7mm. For the earlier models or the later models, use a T20 Torx, pair of pliers, and a flashlight. First thing you want to do is to loosen the 7mm headed bolt. Use your pry tool. Take off this. I loosened that already. Then with this firmness handle, you want to grab both sides of it with your hands and pull straight out, firmly but gently. Hopefully it won't break on you. Now to get this handle off, it has like a U-clip pin. Easiest way to access that is to pull up this seatbelt thing, and you'll see down in there, that's where you want to use your light and pry that out. So using your pick, you want to go in there and just clip onto that and pull straight out. And then you'll hear it, it'll drop down most likely, and then this handle comes right off. And now these just have some clips in there. You'll use your pry tool to lift this out and undo the connector. Okay, I quick swapped out the switch, and before you put it all away, you want to make sure it works by going through all the motions. Okay, this one works. Now these 6-way switches are all the same from 2007 all the way up to 14. The 8-way power switch, there is a left and right. So if you find one, if you look for stuff at junkyard or use the 6-way, you can use for left or right. And then down here is going back to the pin. This is what that clip looks like. Now it's a little difficult to get this back on here. That's where these pliers come in. And I'll see if this wants to cooperate. You put this like this. Of course. Okay, and then you want to have both of them in there. If you try to do that by hand, it has the tendency to just pull into one side. So assembly is just reverse of the disassembly. Okay, have a great day.